Hi, this is Prashant Mehta. I am working as a divisional head for Otsuka Pharmaceutical India Private Limited. Specifically, I am dealing with clinical nutrition. When I talk about Otsuka, Otsuka is first Japanese organization dealing with clinical nutrition in India. Watch me live on GAPSULE event on 5th November between 3 to 4 p.m. When I talk about GAPSULE, so GAPSULE is first its kind of series which facilitate the discussion between pharmaceutical industry and healthcare industry. As we know, pharmaceutical sales representative is playing very important pivotal role in discussing and providing information to healthcare professionals. However, post-COVID scenario has been changed and many of the traditional practices has been challenged and many of the traditional things has been changed. So still we believe that it should be a continuous process where information can be shared, exchanged between both the industries. Simultaneously, pharmaceutical marketers are also at the crossroad because many of the practices which has been challenged needs to be changed and new innovative solutions needs to be created for the marketing perspective. That's where I believe GAPSULE play a very important role and it's allowed this kind of discussion between both the industries. So watch me live on 5th November between 3 to 4 p.m. and let's have a fruitful discussion. Thank you.